If you've ever struggled with cutting tree branches, trimming your yard, or working on DIY wood projects, you know how frustrating it can be with the wrong tool. But what if there was a compact, powerful chainsaw that made the job effortless? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best chainsaws on the market, cordless, lightweight, and designed to tackle tough tasks with ease. Whether you're a professional or just handling weekend projects, you don't want to miss this. Oh, and to make things easier, all product links are in the description. Just click to grab yours. Let's get started. Peektook Mini Chainsaw. Frustrated with a chainsaw that just won't perform when you need it most? The Peektook Mini Chainsaw solves that problem with its high-powered motor and dual 21-volt 2-ampere-hour batteries, providing longer runtime and smoother cuts. No more stopping mid-job. Equipped with a 700-watt high-power pure copper motor, it drives the chain at an impressive 34.5 feet per second, allowing it to cut through a 6-inch log in just 10 seconds. This cordless chainsaw runs for 30 to 45 minutes and includes strict 3-fold safety measures for maximum protection. The package comes with one fully assembled 6-inch chainsaw, 2 batteries, 2 chains, safety goggles, and gloves, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Plus, it includes a 1-year warranty. It's lightweight at only 2.2 pounds, compact, and comfortable to hold. Designed for one-handed use, it's perfect for trimming branches and cutting logs effortlessly. If you want power in a small package, this one's a winner. Check the link in the description and pinned comment for pricing details. WEMARS Mini Chainsaw. Imagine you're in the middle of a project, making smooth cuts, and suddenly, your chainsaw dies. There's nothing more frustrating than running out of power mid-job. That's why the WEMARS Mini Chainsaw 6-inch comes with 2 high-capacity batteries, ensuring you complete your projects without interruptions. This cordless chainsaw is packed with safety features, including a security lock to prevent accidental starts, and a 100 degrees rotatable top protective baffle to keep sawdust from flying. It runs on 2 20-volt and 2-ampere-hour removable lithium-ion batteries with self-overload and temperature protection, ensuring a longer lifespan. It features an 800-watt HIG power motor. It drives the chain at an impressive 26.5 feet per second, allowing it to cut through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds. The package includes a fully assembled 6-inch chainsaw, 2 batteries, 2 chains, safety goggles, and a charger, ready to use right out of the box. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, it's compact, easy to hold, and designed for one-handed use. No cords, no hassle, just pure cutting power. Seesii Mini Chainsaw. Typical chainsaws are large, heavy, and cumbersome for small tasks. But the Seesii Mini Chainsaw changes the game. Unlike bulky traditional models, this compact, cordless chainsaw is ergonomic, easy to use, and perfect for quick branch trimming. It features a 550-watt pure copper motor, drives the chain at 19.7 feet per second, delivering powerful performance in a lightweight design. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, including the battery, and with a total length of 4 inches, it allows for effortless one-handed use without fatigue, even during longer jobs. The 20-volt and 1.5-ampere-hour rechargeable lithium battery provides long-lasting runtime, so you can complete your cutting tasks without interruptions. For added safety, it includes a security lock, which must be pressed before starting to prevent accidental activation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, the Seesii Mini Chainsaw is a compact yet powerful solution for any cutting job. Tietoc Mini Chainsaw. If you're new to chainsaws and want something user-friendly and easy to set up, the Tietoc 6-inch Mini Chainsaw is a perfect choice. It's lightweight, fully assembled, and packed with built-in safety features to keep your hands protected. This super mini chainsaw is equipped with an 880-watt high-power motor, manganese steel chain, and an automatic oiler system to keep the chain running smoothly. This chainsaw drives at an impressive 21 feet per second, allowing it to cut through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's easy to handle and ideal for beginners, including seniors, women, and even those with arthritis. With a 20-volt and 2-ampere-hour removable and rechargeable battery, this cordless mini chainsaw is built for long-lasting performance, even in the field. It also features self-overload and temperature protection, ensuring a much longer battery life. For safety, it includes a security lock to prevent accidental activation, safety baffles to prevent wood splinters from flying, an anti-slip textured handle for a secure grip, made with flame retardant and environmentally friendly materials. The Tietoc Mini Chainsaw is FCC certified and comes with a 1-year warranty. The package includes a mini chainsaw, a rechargeable battery, 2 chains, 1 pre-installed, a guide plate, a quick charger, a screwdriver, and a guide plate sheath. Whether you're cutting trees, wood, or working on home projects, this chainsaw is a great choice for both beginners and pros. Seesii Mini Chainsaw. And at the top of our list, the Seesii Mini Chainsaw. Why? Because it delivers raw cutting power, long battery life, and outstanding durability in a compact design. Unlike bulky traditional chainsaws, this mini powerhouse is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The battery-powered chainsaw weighs just 2.62 pounds, making one-handed use easy and fatigue-free. Its cordless design ensures portability, even in tight spaces. The dual 21-volt and 2-ampere-hour batteries and fast charger provide extended runtime, so you won't have to stop in the middle of a job. Plus, the self-overload and temperature protection extends battery life significantly. With its 800-watt high-performance motor, the Seesii Mini Chainsaw effortlessly slices through 5.9 1-inch logs in just 8 seconds and drives the chain at an impressive 16.4 feet per second. The package includes everything you need for maintenance and operation: 2 batteries, a carrying case, 2 chains, 1 pre-installed, 2 chainsaw files, an oil bottle, gloves, a charger, a nut driver, and a screwdriver. With all the essentials included, you can start working immediately without extra costs. Whether you're trimming trees, tackling DIY projects, or handling yard work, this saw makes the job effortless. And there you have it, the top 5 best chainsaws you can get right now. Whether you need one for small tasks or heavy-duty cutting, there's a perfect option for you. Check the links in the description to grab yours today. And if you love cool gadgets, make sure to watch our next video on the best drones available right now. Click here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best tools and gear. See you in the next one.